sigo. Seamos más que amigos, amigos, amigos. Solo tú me sigues al ritmo de la pista y yo me veo como chica de revista. Baby, conmigo a ti se te va la vista. Puedo quemarte solo con una pizca. Arriba y abajo, uy, ay. Prendimos, apagamos. Arriba y abajo, ay. Prendimos, apagamos nunca. Baila, baila conmigo, que yo el paso te sigo. Seamos más que amigos, amigos, amigos. Baila, baila conmigo, que yo el paso te sigo. Seamos más que amigos, amigos, amigos. Seamos más que amigos. Seamos más que amigos. Baila, baila conmigo, que yo el paso te sigo. Seamos más que amigos, amigos, amigos. Baila, baila conmigo, que yo el paso te sigo. Seamos más que amigos, amigos, amigos. Baila, baila conmigo, que yo el paso te sigo. Seamos más que amigos, amigos, amigos. Seamos más que amigos. Seamos más que amigos.
Well, that's all the wood is for the pechka to be burnt. This is to be sorted and tidied. Next time I come, it's mission barns. Some ladders, some beams, some good bits of wood. And we got the other section of the barn. It's just full of hay and straw. Some old tools. A stone wall at the back. One brick. That's it touching up. That's number 2. Down here. We've got number 3 and 4. Let's go upstairs. There's a little section here. Little room in there, little storage. More hay and straw, whatever you got there. We've got workshop. We've got a wine cellar in there. And then that one there. Again, more straw on top. That's where we went upstairs and had a look. That was the downstairs. There's another little section there. And then two more here. Or one more here. That's the back of the other one, which is knackered. Well, let me show you this barn. Again, once again, look at these, look at that, fantastic, nice barrel, we've got a spare boiler, okay, couple of doors, I'm not sure what them bottles are for, but yes, and all up in the girders there we've got some tools. I can't really make it out in here now, but some old wooden tools, and the light's a bit rubbish. Let's have a look in here. The battery's going. Look at these. Vino. For my wine. Wow, look at the size of that. Fantastic. Okay. It's got power in here, so there's 3 phases but that's another mission to find that. Okay, and then look at that stone. Whew. Nice. Oh, there's an up part to this barn. Okay, and then we go through this. Through this gate, he says. It doesn't want to open. What's stopping it? That piece of wood. And then we've got, I don't know what it is. Okay. And tools. Okay. Some kind of barrel or something. Okay, it's just a little, well, it's nothing. But there's another piece. How'd you get there then? There's all hay through there, but don't ask me how you get there. Oops. Yeah, get out of there. So this one, oh, okay. There's a ladder there. So we'll have to, and it just looks like a whole heap of straw. Yeah. There's another little, the land that just keeps on giving. Should we try this door? Okay. There's some great bits in here as well. Okay, that's solid stone. Top of the mud brick. Got some more firewood there. To patch up that corner. Again, this is some kind of, what if they had, well, they probably had animals here. Look at all these tools. Okay. Some vintage tools, some of the old, well, they're all older than me, that's for sure. Oh, look at it. I love all stuff like this. Stick it on the wall as decoration, clean it up. It look fantastic. There's some kind of, some kind of press. To be continued. Okay, and then through the barn with no roof. Well, this is the one where the roof is kaput. As you can see, daylight. But nevertheless, there's a whole heap of, I love all these old boxes and crates and stuff. Give them a little clean. Very frugal, me. I don't like to waste nothing. Look at that ladder, that's nice. I love all this old stuff. All these old, I'm not sure if I want to step on these ladders, but and then what else? Oh, it's like a plough. Oh, it's the wrong way around, didn't I? Here we've got the garden, or the other part of the garden. There's the dog kennel, the barn, there's the two barns, the other one, and the gate, been around there, another barn just there. Used to be chickens or goats or something, and if I go through this way. We'll go through this way we can. This is the section. If I can get through there. Just lock this back. Okay. I think that's a plum tree. Okay, we got here. Apple tree there. Still got to deal with these bushes. We've got apple trees, plum trees, and a pear tree. That old one there, that's the pear tree there, the big one. That's there. Yep, there's another apple. And there's a garden. Big old garden. And the stream's just out there.